Right, so this is the 7th time, as you can see. The company that basically deal with this is Aaron Services, and after the last time the guy came, this is what's basically happened. So what I've got to do is turn that to there, and then and as you can see, it's claiming. There we go. Back to normal. Turn that to there. Now, like I say, old boiler. Well, as you can see, it's an old boiler. And these are what Metropolitan Thames Valley Housing have in their properties. And as you can see, that is now back up to where it should be. It's crazy and bonkers, but thanks to YouTube, well, I now know how to sort this out. Anyway, thanks for watching.